Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this creepy face in Trust and Press game of Roblox for Halloween theme or for horror theme. Okay, let's get into it guys. If you want to create this creepy face, you will need custom makeup. So you need to buy the custom makeup first, and then I'm going to show you how you can create this creepy face. Alright, the first one guys, you can choose this heart and then you're going to color it black. And this blush, you're going to make it dark red. Okay, and then you're going to put on, wait, okay, this is for the blush and make it red. And I'm going to go to the other and put on, apply, wait, I'm still looking for it. Okay, go to the skin and you're going to apply this one, and then I'm going to color it with this color, white. Okay, like this. And the last one, we're going to go to the eyeshadow, and for the eyeshadow you're going to put on this eyeshadow. Okay, and finally you will create something like this. And yeah, it looks so creepy, and you can use it for horror theme or ghost theme or Halloween theme. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this creepy face and Dress to Impress game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.